On Friday, Donald Trump's former aide, Steve Bannon, was sentenced to 4 months in prison for refusing to testify in the congressional probe of the January 6, 2021 attack on the US Capitol. Bannon was one of the masterminds behind Trump's 2016 presidential campaign and victory. He was found guilty on 2 counts of contempt of Congress for defying a subpoena to testify over the riot by the former president's supporters. Bannon was also fined $6,500. He was permitted by the judge to remain free while he fights what his lawyer vowed would be a bulletproof appeal. Asked by reporters at the White House for a reaction to the Bannon sentencing, Biden answered dismissively, and I quote, "I never have a reaction to Steve Bannon." The 68-year-old was met by protesters yelling traitor and fascist. His prison sentence was less than 6 months requested by the Justice Department, but more than the probation Bannon's attorneys had sought. Bannon had argued that he declined to appear before the Capitol riot probe panel upon advice from his lawyer that doing so would violate Trump's executive privilege. But he also said that he felt that the investigation was politically driven. Federal Judge Carl Nichols rejected those arguments, saying Trump had never asserted executive privilege in Bannon's case and that the events in the Capitol needed investigating. As per reports, despite the prison sentence, Bannon could remain out of jail well into next year while fighting his appeal. The investigation by a special House committee has said that Bannon knew in advance of the plan by hardline Trump supporters to attack the Capitol to prevent Biden from being confirmed as the next president. Bannon served in the White House as chief strategist for the first 7 months of Trump's term. He reportedly left due to dispute with other top staffers. In 2020, Bannon was charged with wire fraud and money laundering for taking for personal use millions of dollars contributed by donors towards the construction of a border wall with Mexico. While others were found guilty in the scheme, Trump issued a blanket pardon for Bannon before leaving office in January of 2021, leading to the dismissal of the charges against him.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.